There's a big rock behind me. Come on, little man. Oh, don't go for my fucking legs.
That stupid little bitch missed it twice when I was casting. There we go.
Not as good as the other one, but it's still a good fish.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Well, there he goes, huh?
Easiest release.